All right, today I have scrubbing bubbles drop-ins. Now these right here are used to help keep your toilet clean. It helps keep your toilet bowl, stain-free, but it also helps keep it fresh, okay? So this right here helps with the cleaning process, and it comes with 5 tablets in here. I'm gonna show you how to use this, okay? So it comes with 5 blue disc right here. I thought I got the white disc. I didn't know they're blue. It's gonna turn my toilet bowl blue. Well, anyway, so there's 5 discs in here. And so what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take one of these. Comes with a pack right here. And it says, instructions are that, getting closer so you can see this. It says, remove the toilet tank cover, tear open pouch, and note, use only 1 tablet at a time. So once you open the pouch, it says flush, wait until the water level is at its lowest, or water level is low and bottom valve is closed, okay? Use pouch to drop into the corner of the tank, away from the bottom valve opening or toilet mechanism. Important, wait 10 minutes before flushing. When color disappears, it's time for new drop-ins. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this. And I'm gonna do what it says. I'm gonna get in close. And I'm gonna open up the top of the toilet. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this. And so the majority of the mechanism on the left-hand side. So what I'm gonna do is, let me get down in here so you can see all of this. I'm going to flush it. We'll first open up the packet and get it ready. So it's a blue disc right here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna come right here and I'm gonna press this and wait for it to get all the way to the bottom, to the bottom, to the bottom. Wait for the valve to close. I'm gonna drop this in there, right there into the corner, away from all the mechanisms. And then after I do that, I'm going to go ahead and put this on here. So it's going to turn the water blue. So there you have it right there. So that's how you use the drop-in toilets. But I'll give it a flush. I'm not going to wait an entire 10 minutes for the video purposes, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and as soon as the tank fills up, I'll show you what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and raise this. And then, oh, it's full enough. I'm gonna go ahead and press this so you can see what it looks like. Blue water going down, clean, fresh toilet, stain-free, all right? And that is how you use scrubbing bubbles drop-ins. Helps keep your bowl, your toilet bowl, stain-free. Hope this is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.